I think students should download MEBO so that they're aware of everything that's happening at WSU, and so that they can participate and not only go to college and go to class, but also be involved in other activities, study groups, meeting new people through the app. I think that's the biggest reason. MEBO stands for Main Engine Blastoff.
The idea would just be like, can we make something that we can push to everyone's phone, and can it be useful for students on campus?
So our biggest mission is just to make sure that students are aware of all the resources and the fun that can be had during college, but also things like study groups or hangout sessions, things like that. We think that students who are more engaged on campus will have better success during their college career. To register, they just download the app. It's on both app stores, and you just go to, you search MEBO Social, and you just register when you get in using your WSU ID.
It's an interactive map with live events. You can add flyers to campus, and you can post and host your own events.
So when a student downloads the app, they're going to be able to have access to live events and everything that's happening at WSU currently, as well as seeing what's upcoming.
Download MEBO.